So it doesn't matter, guys, if wala kayong 100,000 na followers. Okay? So if you think that you are late or you're too old or too young, you are wrong. Okay? Kasi the freelancer and the content economy here in the Philippines will continue to thrive. Wala pa nga sa atin yung TikTok fund eh. But I highly encourage that you have your own page, you have your own online portfolio na rin. Okay? Kasi dyan din kayo makikita. Okay, so moving on, here is how you can stand out in the social media crowd. Syempre, alam naman natin na in the digital space, na every scroll counts, okay? So really getting noticed demands more than just being active. So for you to be able to do this effectively, kailangan you understand what drives them, what makes them tick. And this is where the 6 motivators come to play. So ito po is something that you can use in your own content. And if you wanted to offer social media marketing sa mga clients ninyo, if you feel stuck with content creation, I want you to be able to use these motivators. Even with how you formulate yung mga marketing messaging nyo sa services ninyo. Kasi each of these motivators really taps into a fundamental human desire. And if you understand them, you can craft a content that not only captures attention but also influences decision. Kasi at the end of the day, yes, maganda yung content, but na-compel ba sila to do something about it? Nag-check ba sila ng profile? Check ba nila yung website? And nag-check out ba sila? 'Di ba? So, ma'am, may link po ba kayo saan pwede umorder niyang headset? Sa TikTok, yes, nasa showcase natin yan. Possible po ba ang faceless content? Yes,
Yes.
possible.
Yes na yes.
Marami po tayong creators na faceless yung content nila. But I wanted to also address here na pwede yon, but for certain type of topics or industries lang. Pero ngayon kasi nagkakaroon ng boom yung tinatawag natin na employee-generated content. Napapansin niyo ba yun, guys?
Oo,
Di ba
EGC.
meron tayong UGC, user-generated content. Pero parang nagiging super, ano na siya, streamline na siya na parang, okay, UGC, tapos highly edited, hindi na rin siya ang mga consumers ngayon, very talino na. Hindi na sila basta-basta lang na, oy, UGC creator yan eh, bayad naman yan eh. Ganon. So, ang taas na rin talaga ng judgment and ng resistance kahit na UGC siya. Alam niyo yun? Kasi ang dami na rin ng mga naging UGC creators eh. As ang bobongga na rin ang setup nila. 'Di ba? May pa-lights, may mga background na mabobongga. So ngayon nagbo-boom yung employee-generated content. So for those of you na ayaw nyo magpakita, you can encourage maybe yung staff nyo or yung employees ninyo to do unboxing o kaya to record packaging. Yan. So it will be from the perspective of the employees. Mas nagiging authentic siya and mas nagre-resonate yung mga tao. So I want you guys to also explore that. For those of you who have businesses, maybe it's now time. Kung hindi man ikaw as a CEO, maybe one of your staff. But still, people crave connection. So it's always going to be better if meron tayong human na nandoon mismo sa content natin. Okay? So, going back to the 6 motivators, and first one is economic motivators. So I want you to think about content or services that appeals to the desire for financial gain or cost savings. Okay? So for example, if you are someone that could help them with ads, okay? If you're someone that can guarantee na if they hire you as a PPC, as an ad specialist, you can provide, let's say, 20% sales increase. Yung mga ganyan, okay? Or if you are someone that could help them save money kasi you are a bookkeeper, you wanted to make sure na klaro para sa kanila yung mga transactions nila, that is how you want to position your services or yung content ninyo. Okay? You want to show them na, hey, if you hire me or if you are someone that needs help with savings or with finances, this is the right brand for you or the right product for you. So an example is, let's say, from Shepherd. So we find you amazing employees that costs 80% less than US equivalent. Okay? So, pinapakita dito na they are targeting yung economic motivator ng mga clients na gustong makasave ng 80%. So, ang laking bagay nun, di ba? So, 80%, oh my gosh, sabihin, ang mura lang ng pwede nating ma-hire na employee, pero equivalent siya ng mga taga-US. So this is something that would really entice them to learn more or to start hiring through Shepherd. And then another one is from Parallax. So get paid from abroad without the wait and the crazy fees. So ina-address nila dito yung fact na maraming mga payment options ngayon na ang tataas ng mga fees. 'Di ba? So ang sabi nila dito, receive USD as if you were in the US. Kasi magkakaroon kayo ng US bank account. Yan, ganun ang eksena nila. So, if you are someone that could really help clients or if you feel na your marketing messaging needs work, then I want you to focus on these motivators. Okay, number 1 pa lang to. Economic motivator. And then another one pa pala, may isa pa palang example, which is simple health care that you can afford. Ayan, di ba? Alam naman natin, pag healthcare talagang magastos. But the fact na sinabi nila dito that you can afford, it means na meron silang mga options. Di ba? And then the next motivator is aesthetic motivator. So this is for those na clients naman na attracted to beauty, balance, and harmonious experiences. So if you are someone na you are a photographer, an interior decorator, you can use your portfolio to attract clients who values aesthetics. Okay? So you can share mga ano ba yung mga images ninyo, yung mga work ninyo, or if you are a graphic designer, you can share your work na ginawa ninyo, na you can showcase your eye for detail. Okay, marami pong mga clients ngayon na, especially if they are someone na talagang nagsistruggle sa social media nila, and they know na they need to create content, and they want to make sure na you provide that kind of luxury and that kind of trust. 'Di ba? Kailangan maayos yung online space, yung online presence nyo. So dito po tayo papasok. So an example is if you are, let's say for example, si Jessica Jones, siya ay naglo-logo and visual identity. So sabi niya dito, that become the hallmarks of wonderful brands. Okay, 'di ba ang bongga? So meron siya ditong brand identity design, may portfolio siya, and so many more. Okay? And then the third motivator naman is individualistic motivator. So these are for those na nagsisik ng uniqueness. Okay? So I want you to be able to emphasize paano ba mag-cater yung services mo dun sa mga needs ng mga clients nyo. So for example, if you are someone na can help them with personal branding, or you can help them create an offer na talagang very unique only, di ba? So this is where you can create or share stories or testimonials from clients who have benefited from your personal approach. So an example is, let's say, si Vavik. So siya ay isang personal branding expert and SEO writer. Alright, so sabi niya dito, transform your personal brand, attract more leads, clients, and revenue. So anyone who needs help with SEO to stand out, to rank better, ayan. So ganyan niya pinoposition yung services niya. Another example is from Mountain Mover. Take your career to new heights. Okay, gain long-term clients and job stability in a company where work-life balance and personal fulfillment and career culture are all top priorities. Okay, so this is how you want to create your content, or this is how you want to position yourself. Okay, if you want to appeal to those na merong individualistic motivator. And then the next one is altruistic motivator. So ito naman, these are brands that are motivated by compassion, giving back. For an example is ito, helping bring clean and safe water to every person on the planet. Okay, so think of NGOs. Yan. Another example is empowering communication through education. Basta any NGOs o yung mga charity Okay, charity. Next, hold on. Parang nag-lag ako.
Nag-log ka sa TikTok, pero sabi ko naman kay Tracy to
Ay, oo nga.
move sa Facebook.
Ayan. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, and then another one, hold on, let's go back. So the next one is regulatory motivator. So this one naman is about someone na nagva-value ng order, ng structure, and controlled environments. Dito pumapasok yung mga operations, yung mga OBM, yung mga EA, kasi you will be coming in, aayusin nyo, 'di ba, yung business nila, lalagyan niyo ng system. So if you are someone that could definitely help them with their operation, would put in structure, ganito niyo sila kakausapin. You need to appeal to their regulatory motivator. You need to let them know that, hey, if you bring me in, if you hire me, you will not feel overwhelmed. Because I have a proven and tested system that really helps client navigate yung mga complex na mga systems. I will be coming in with my ano created na kunyari na click up template, as in you already have all the information, ipa-plug mo na lang sa business nila. So that is how you would want to speak to clients or to create content that would speak to those clients na gulong-gulo na sa business nila. Okay? Because a lot of business owners, guys, wala talaga silang system. So if you are someone that is very organized, you love tools, you love creating systems, then I highly suggest create more regulatory content. Okay, create kayo ng mga content that really explains to them how it would benefit them to hire someone like you. Okay? So an example, ayan, be organized, on time, productive, confident, and successful even with ADHD. O, di ba? Kasi ang ADHD, guys, is alam naman natin na hirap mag-focus or hirap kayo na for you guys to motivate yourself. So, ang ganda nung marketing messaging niya na to. Be organized, be on time, di ba? And another one is Tascati or yung mga project management tools. Simplify your task management. So this is a project and task management tool designed to save you time. Okay? And help you and your team get more stuff done. Ayan. So if you can emphasize to them that they can save time, that they no longer have to feel overwhelmed, then this is a great way for you to showcase that you can really help them. Okay? And the last motivator is theoretical motivator. So this is some for those na talagang wants to pursue knowledge. Okay, yung understanding and yung intellectual growth. So think of content creator, or I mean course creators. Okay, yung mga online course, online coaches. Ayan. So you can help them showcase yung expertise nila sa pagiging leader nila in the field. So for example, turn your product idea into successful businesses or anything na would really um, showcase na you can help them with their um, education. Yan, ganyan ang eksena natin. Okay, so just recap, ito po yung 6 motivators. Please go ahead and screenshot. We have the economic, aesthetic, individualistic, altruistic, regulatory, theoretical. O, diba? That was a mouthful. But again, if you are stuck with creating content and you feel na hindi mo na alam if effective pa ba yung ginagawa mong content, I want you to think about the 6 motivators. Kasi these are the things that would really help them make a decision. Okay? And ikaw din, it would help you as well better position your services or better position yourself, especially if you wanted to build your personal brand. Okay? So there you have it. And I want you guys to remember yung sinabi ko kanina na how I adapted from a stable job, 'di ba? From a call center to the unpredictable yet rewarding world of freelancing. It was my adaptability quotient, okay? Because I know that I need to adapt no matter what. So I hope, just like me, each one of you has the potential to pivot, to embrace the change, and to thrive in this fast paced digital era. Okay? We are still in the early stages of freelancing and content creation. So, marami pa po tayong time. Again, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, TikTok Creator Fund is not yet here in the Philippines. So, those who already jumped in early, who adapted quickly to the platform are now really reaping significant benefits. Kasi you can also ask your followers at TikTok to follow you on YouTube, to follow you on Facebook, kasi yun yung merong mga funds ngayon, di ba? So those are platforms that could really help you earn mga passive income. So, by starting your freelance and content creation journey now, you are not just building a following, but you're staying ahead of the curve, ready to seize yung mga similar opportunities that will arise here in the Philippines. Kasi for sure, bonggang-bongga pa yung mangyayari sa atin. Okay? So, make sure na kahit sitahin kayo ng mga nanay nyo, kaka-cellphone mo yan eh. May pera. Okay? I want you guys to answer this question. The only question that remains is, are you ready to adapt? Lahat tayo may cellphone, lahat tayo, we have the opportunity to create content. So I hope that you guys really adapt the learnings that we have discussed today, because I believe in you. We all have the potential to adapt and to grow and to succeed. So for those of you guys that stayed up until the end, I have a homework for you. I want you to reflect on
Screenshot.
on your freelance business. What kind of freelancer or service provider do you want to be? Okay? What values drive you and who is your target audience? What unique solutions or perspectives do you offer? And then from there, I want you to identify your top two motivators. And then that is when you will create a content for each of the motivators. Okay, I want you to try it out. Itag nyo ako sa mga content that you will be creating. Tag Mia, just so that we can see how you applied yung mga learnings that you had from this webinar. Again, guys, this is really super helpful, especially if you're stuck, if you don't know what to talk about. This is it. Okay, so please screenshot this homework and please let's connect. Can you guys scan the QR? Ayan. So, scan nyo lang po itong QR natin. So, you can connect. You can follow me on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram. Ayan.
Yan, those who are in TikTok, please, I'll share this na lang din na post. But if you can go to my Facebook, Mia Juan 26, you can see the presentation there po.
Yes. Sobrang naglalag ako sa TikTok para akong cyborg. As a cyborg, ayan. So I want you guys to follow me na lang dito sa Facebook so that you can see the slides. And I will be giving away 5 access sa aking paid course. For those of you guys who wants to learn more from me, I do conduct live training through Blogimery mentorship program. So please join us there. So kukunin ko kay Nia yung list ng lahat ng mga nag-register. And then I will choose randomly 5 of you guys who can join me sa live training ko. This is going to be this Saturday na November 16. And then yung day 2 is gonna be the Saturday after. Okay, so bongga to, guys. So it's gonna be 999 for those of you na hindi mapipili. I will give you the winners tonight then. Ibibigay ko kay Nia para ma-announce niya din kung sino. But for those of you na hindi mananalo na sa top 5 natin, you can join my class for only 999, guys. May internship na to.
Yes.
Mapapanood daw ba ulit to?
Yes, so this is recorded. We will post this on Facebook and on my YouTube channel, pati kay Edina din. And then for those who haven't registered yet, Tracy, is it okay if you can share the link of the event so that those who haven't registered, please register to the event so that pwede pa kayong mahabol doon sa giveaway for the free access to the live course.
Yes. Guys, live to ha. Hindi to self-pay. So if you have question then and there, masasagot ko. Okay?
But Edina, question, if somebody won and they are, kasi as you can see, we have viewers from different countries. Is your course in English?
Oh my gosh, I have to adjust. I can adjust. I can adjust. Yes, no worries. But you
Yes.
have to let me know. You have to let me know because usually my classes are really Taglish, Tagalog talaga.
Yep.
So, but I can. Don't you
Yeah.
worry, guys. I can do that.
Yeah, so where
Ayan.
can you register? You can go to my Facebook page. And si Tracy also will link
Nasaan
the
ba yung link
the
natin?
link. Hold on.
We'll link the link.
We'll
Hold
link
on.
the link.
Hanapin ko.
Hold
I
on,
also
hold on,
have
hold
it
on.
here. But yes,
And
so
then,
pwede pa kayong humabol hangga't hindi pa
ito,
naka-close
ito, ito,
nila
ito.
Mia yung form so that you can be chosen. Guys, hindi lang to basta-basta training. You have internship. And when we say internship,
Ayan.
you don't have to log in, log out. You just basically have to finish 2 tasks. And if you're done, that's it. Okay? Ayan, that's the event link. Yes, yes,
Ayan.
ayan.
For those who are on TikTok, please go to the link in my bio and please go to my Facebook page and the link to register to the event will be there. So habol po kayo para I'll send the final list kay Edina ng mga 10 p.m.
Mhm.
I'll generate the list ng 10 p.m. so that those who are here on watching and you haven't registered yet, please go to my Facebook page and look for the event link, event post nito via NAS.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Ayan.
Okay, so yeah, we are at the end. Sorry, Edina, pa-market din daw yung kay CodeGo. So Edina will also have
Ah,
a course in CodeGo.
yes, everyone. I would like to officially welcome. I
Wag.
officially mas nakaka-excite siya. So I will also be having my own course sa Code Go. Guys, abangan niyo 'yan. Liglig this December. Basta i-announce po namin. So all about digital
Yes.
marketing. So it's not just about social media because currently I'm heavily focused on social media. But ang kinagandahan sa Code Go is it's self-paced and mas malawak po yung coverage. Okay? So we have ads in there. We also have mga basics sa ads. We also have yung sa influencer marketing. So you would definitely learn so much from just one course. All right. So this is kasi entire digital marketing. And you know, guys, you have to learn about digital marketing kasi this can help you regardless if you are in the admin side, if you are in the tech, in the sales side of services, only because if you are knowledgeable about these things, then you can better position yourself, you can better help your clients kasi lahat ngayon digital na, 'di ba?
Correct. Yan. So this is just a sneak peek of her course doon sa kanyang SMM level 3 course as well as yung upcoming about to launch Code Go course niya. So this is a sneak peek. So makikita niyo yung buo once you enroll.
Ayan.
Okay. So thank you, Edina.
Thank you so much, everyone. I hope to see you this Saturday, guys. Last class ko na
Yes.
to this 2024 and wala pa tayong schedule ng 2025. So if gusto nyo humabol, this is again live training, SMM level 3 if you want to know more about social media marketing. Okay, thank you so much,
Thank you.
everyone.
Bye,
Happy
everyone.
Sunday. Bye.